What are you seeing in retail regarding convergence? For example, taking old POTS phone lines and migrating to the cloud or VoIP type of solutions?
You know, I say to people constantly, you know, who doesn't use, you know, the Comcast or the Time Warner triple play? You know, I'm going to get my phone covered, voice over IP. I'm going to get my cable service, my television, and I'm going to get my high-speed internet. I mean, everyone uses these techniques. No one uses copper anymore. When was the last time you bought a answering machine for your home, or a fax machine? But retailers do this every day. Retailers have POTS lines for security. They have POTS lines for burglar alarms, smoke alarms, fire alarms, separate POTS lines. They also have POTS lines for dialing out and multiples, 2, 3, 5, 7. And you add these up, it's tremendous expense. And frequently, voice and data are two different things, two different groups within retail. And rather than combining all these, you know, the voice, the data, the security, the alarms, the fax, I mentioned earlier, you know, we had a situation where people were buying PBXs for their store locations instead of using a cloud-based solution. They were investing in these units that the maintenance on the units alone was $2,000 a year per location. 1,000 locations, pretty soon you're talking about a lot of money. They need to go voice over IP as much as they can, just like they would at home. They need to eliminate fax machines. So much work is being done over faxes, it's just incredible. And they need to eliminate these PBXs in the stores. They can move this all to the cloud. You know, when people call up and they get 3 rings at a store, they could have a call center take over and professionally answer the phones and deal with that customer, answer 90% of that customer's questions right then, instead of having it done locally in a store. I think there's a tremendous opportunity to create sort of a centralized hub across the board for telecom, voice, data, etc.